Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of knob with knurling profile in Autodesk Inventor software. Here you can see the knurling profile. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the XY plane. Go to line command. First we'll make the outer profile. So make a vertical line, one horizontal line like this and close the profile. Okay. Now escape. Now select this line and make it a center line. So click here on center line. Now go to dimension. Take this point and this line. So the dia here will be of 40. Similarly, this line and this center line. Here the dia will change to 55 mm. Okay. Escape. Now drag it inside. Okay. Now go to dimension. Here take a total height of 25 mm and this height of 5 mm. Here the angle will be of 7.5 degree. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now we want a whole profile. We want this whole profile over here, so it is of multiple holes. So for that, this will also will make in this profile only. So go to line, make here a line profile. Okay, till here. Escape. Go to dimension. Take this dia as 10 mm and this dia here will be of 25 mm. Okay, the height will be of 4 mm. Escape. Now from here go to 3D model, take revolve command. We will select this portion, select this, go to axis of rotation and select the center line as axis of rotation and OK. Okay. Now go to fillet command, take here fillet and here take a fillet radius of 6 mm. Select this edge, go to edge selection and select this edge. Okay, and apply. Exit. Now we will make the knurling profile. So for knurling profile, go to the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Here go to project geometry and project this outer profile. Okay. Now go to line, extend this profile, escape, go to line once again and extend it from here also. Now escape. Here the profile, this line should be tangent to this curve. So by default it is taken tangent. So here you can see the tangent constraint. Here the tangent constraint is not applied. So here we will give the parallel constraint, parallel, this and this. Okay. So this is parallel. Escape. These lines are only for reference. So go to dimension. You can give any dimension. You can take 7 and this has 10 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to plane command. Select this point and select this line. We will construct a new plane. Select this plane. Go to create sketch. Now go to polygon command. Here we will take number of sides as 3. As we have to make a triangle. So from this point make a triangle. Escape. Go to top view. Now define this triangle. Okay, as it's moving. So to constrain is go to horizontal constraint and okay, take the vertical constraint here. Select this midpoint and select this point. Select this point and this point. Go to dimension. The dimension from here to here will be of 1 mm. Okay. Now rotate the profile. Here go to project geometry and project this point on which the plane is made. Project this. Escape. Zoom in. Now go to coincident constraint. Select this point and select the center point. Now it is fully constrained. Okay. Here also you can see fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch. Similarly, we will make a sketch over here also. So go to plane command, select this point and select this line. So a new plane is constructed. Select this plane, go to create sketch. Here rotate the profile. Similarly, go to project geometry, project this point. Now go to polygon and take number of sides as 3. From this center point, make a triangle. Go to dimension. From center point, this dimension will be of 1 mm. Okay. Go to vertical constraint. Select this point and select this center point. Cancel. Select this point and this point. Okay. Now it is fully constrained. Here you can see fully constrained. Now finish sketch. Now we will take the sweep command to cut the profiles. So these are the all profiles. So go to sweep command. First select this profile and for path select this and this. Okay. If you take this, it will not select properly due to radius. Unselect this. So here as it's making a joining profile, here we want to cut, so click on cut and OK. Now go to sweep 1, select profile 3, sketch 3 and activate its visibility. Okay. Now we'll use the same profile for this sweep. So go to sweep command once again. This time the profile will be this and the path will be this. Okay. Take haircut and OK. Okay. So this will be a sweep cut. Now select all the sketches, turn off their visibility. Now select both the planes, plane 2 and plane 1. Right click and turn off its visibility. Now this is a cut profile. Now we want to pattern this in a circular pattern. So go to circular pattern, select sweep 1 and sweep 2. Go to rotation axis and select the circular profile as rotation axis. Here take a count of 150 and the filling angle will be of 360 degree. Okay. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Here go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 30. Okay. Go to finish sketch. Take extrude cut. Here take the cut profile and take a cut depth of 1.5 or you can take it 2 mm. And here go to more, take a taper cut of -10. Okay, -10 degree will be applied. So the shrinkage will be inside. From front view, if you see, the angle will be in taper inside. Okay, go to home. Now select this edge, go to chamfer. Here take a chamfer of 0.5 mm. Here also 0.5 mm and apply. Exit. Now rotate the profile. Select this bottom edge. Go to fillet. Take here a fillet radius of 0.5 mm and OK. Now rotate the profile. Now go to defaults and give the appearance. We are giving the appearance from Autodesk appearance library. So here we will take okay, handrails. We will take the profile as handrails. So this will be the profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a knob with knurling in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.